Alright, while we were waiting, I put a new steering wheel cover on my truck. I tried to pause you, but it ended up ending the video, so I wait so long. But I put a new steering wheel cover on my truck. But while we're in here, I can show you the tint job. Got it done at Stewart's here in Dothan. Went with a 20%, and this is a carbon tint. So it looks much better. Don't roll your windows down, not yet, but it looks a whole lot better. But I had to replace that steering wheel cover because here's my old one, and it was no good anymore. But I mean, that's 4 years for you. So we got a new one, and I like that style, so I went with the same style. All right, we're about to reinstall our airflow sensor, and then we're gonna crank her up and see if it makes any difference, which it should. Looks better. So here we go. I'm just gonna take a shop towel and kind of dust her off. Dusty. Tell you, come outside and everybody wants to come up and bother you. Alright, so I'm going to put that back down into my air intake. I'm going to seat it where it's supposed to be seated. Okay. I'm going to take my screws. I think I need to do this with my truck too. I've never cleaned my airflow sensor in my truck. I have in this car, so I knew what I was doing, but I haven't in there, so that might be an experience. Sorry, I'm looking at other things. I'm screwing this in. I need to go get a oil change. I could do it myself too, but I might as well just go and let them. Might be cheaper. So that's the reason why we're fixing things ourselves, because it's cheaper. But some things, like, well, I could let somebody else do it, be done faster and cheaper. Because also with oil change, they'll do all my other fluids. So there's that. Alright, so we got that tightened in. I'm going to reconnect it. Boo boo boo. Dirty. Uh-oh. Well, that's alright. I was about to get y'all off anyway. Alright, now I am curious, so we are gonna go crank her up and see what she sounds like. See if she feels any different and cranks up any different. I would assume so. And I just cleaned that air filter not long ago, and I haven't drove it but like one time maybe. So did you hear it? It took a minute for it to start up. I'm wondering if that's going to fix my main problem. It might, because I've had that I've had this airflow sensor changed out before, because it will make your car run like total doo-doo if it goes bad or if it's dirty. So I wanted to try cleaning it first, and sure enough, it needed to be cleaned. Get all this stuff off of here. I might drive it down the street real quick. I think that will be alright. You're breathing. Alright. Let's see.